Denise, the teachers union is preparing to call for a strike if their demands are not met. As Kristen Drummond reports, the Clark County Education Association is not accepting a 2-year offer CCSD plans to present to the Board of Trustees next week.
The CCEA is calling the proposal from CCSD unacceptable for certain reasons. This comes 2 days after negotiations this week with the district. Both parties tried to reach an agreement, but the teachers union says the district failed on providing what teachers need. The district's proposal is a 2-year agreement. It provides the 3% salary increase for this school year, the 2% salary raise for certain employees for their time in the district, and the district contributing 4% more to the medical plan the next 2 years. This will be presented on Thursday to the Board of Trustees. And while it addresses 3 of the 4 big issues for the teachers union, CCEA says the agreement does not include their last big concern: the district giving teachers a pay bump as they advance professionally, whether that's a master's degree or attaining college credits. The other grievances include the district not addressing the step freeze last year or the salary reductions because of the public employees retirement system cost of more than 0.5%. The teachers union has continually threatened a strike for months if the district did not meet all of their demands during negotiations.
Reassessment would mean that we would sit down and think, okay, how are we going to move forward next steps? And if we're going to take action, we're obviously going to serve notice.
Lawmakers this year did commit dollars to the district for the 3% salary raises. CCEA adds money was also provided by the legislature for the step increase and health insurance money. A statement from the union says in part, "We are extremely disappointed in Superintendent Jara. He has turned his backs on educators who advocated relentlessly during the legislative session for more funds." It adds, CCEA's executive board is meeting this weekend to discuss the next steps in calling for a strike. CCSD says this is the most significant increase in compensation and benefits proposed to district employees in over a decade. Again, the district plans to submit this offer to the Board of Trustees at next week's meeting on Thursday. Back to you.
Thank you, Kristen. In addition to the teachers union, CCSD's proposal also applies to other unions that represent employees like administrators and police.